These two pot stocks continue to attract attention. If you invested in marijuana stocks 3 months ago, you would have been rewarded with some very solid gains. Since mid-March, the cannabis industry has witnessed a lot of double-digit percentage gains across the board. For those who don't know, there is one singular reason that these gains have occurred, that being COVID-19. While most of the world has witnessed adverse effects from this awful pandemic, marijuana stocks have actually climbed in the past few months. Since COVID began, more and more people have been stuck at home around the world. This has led to an increase in demand for marijuana in areas where it is legal. For this reason, major cannabis stocks have reported financials that are much greater than expectations. With that, we have continued to see many pot stocks to watch shoot up in value. A leading MSO pot stock to watch. Curaleaf Holdings is one of the most popular marijuana stocks in the industry. Because it is a retailer of cannabis, Curaleaf stock has shot up dramatically in the past few months. For quite some time, Curaleaf stock has had momentum due to the company being one of the top 3 largest MSOs in the US. In addition to this, it recently announced that it closed on an acquisition of the dispensary owner, Grassroots. The goal of this acquisition was to significantly increase Curaleaf stock's exposure to the US cannabis industry. And with this goal being achieved, Curaleaf now has access to as many as 23 states with almost 90 dispensaries currently up and running. Another US-based multi-state operator marijuana stock, Cresco Labs Inc., is another leading MSO working out of the US. Although it is not as large as Curaleaf, Cresco stock has made some significant headway in the US MSO market. The company recently released its first quarter results, showing sales north of $65 million. These sales represent an almost 60% increase from Cresco stock's previous quarter. Although these sales are impressive, what's even more impressive is that Cresco stock has reported sales growth for 4 of the past quarters. For this reason, many continue to believe that Cresco stock could be a major winner in the next few years. While many other dispensary operators have chosen to broaden their markets, Cresco has focused heavily on Illinois. This strategy has paid off as Cresco is one of the largest dispensary operators in the state. Recently, it opened its 8th retail store in the state, which brings its running total in the US to 18. For this reason, Cresco Labs remain one of the most interesting marijuana stocks to watch.